Contaminated diesel oil, 7 problems in agriculture. It is common to hear from technicians and mechanics that many problems in a machine in maintenance were created by continue using contaminated diesel oil. What happens when contaminated diesel comes to the machine? Get to know the 7 problems. Damage to the fuel tank, contributing to the proliferation of bacteria, fungi, and rust. Difficulties in fuel flow. Difficulty in fuel flow, the primary and secondary filters, these will be saturated ahead of schedule. This will hinder the correct flow of the fuel. Injection pump wear. Letting the pump unregulated, increasing fuel consumption, and the excess of smoke may indicate possible system malfunctions. Injection nozzle wear. Causing the fuel to be squirted instead of sprayed. This can be identified when the machine starts to fail and loses performance. Premature wear of engine components, such as intake valves, cylinder liner, piston rings, and piston. Carburetor oil contamination, which in turn will damage all components that are lubricated, such as turntable connecting rod and tuchos. Carbonization of upper parts in the engine. When the ring, pistons, and cylinders become worn, the lubricating oil will go in excess to the upper parts in the engine, and it will be churned by the high temperatures. Attention! Contaminated diesel oil is highly damaging to the machinery, as it generates lost productivity, increasing fuel consumption, and excessive maintenance costs. If you face this problem in agriculture, we can help you.